right side. Gotta stay focused on keeping the vehicle on the right side of the road, right?
Right.
There you go. We're gonna make a right out of this parking lot.
Well, I don't think I'm ready for the road.
That's why I'm the trainer. Put that right blinker on, keep it rocking and rolling for me. Right blinker.
Okay.
Slow it, check it. Look where you're going, rock and roll. Turn it, roll. 1, 2, look ahead, straighten it up, keep going. Straighten her up. There you go, rock and roll, rock and roll. Stay towards that right side as we go forward. We're gonna be making the right ahead. Not too close because we got debris along the side, so keep it a nice distance from that curve side, right? At the light, we're gonna be making the right, so keep it rolling. Put that right blinker on, keep it going. Watch the curve. Watch the curve. Slow it. Keep it going. Keep it going. Check before you go. That's why we switch to the brake when we turn it.
Okay.
Because of that situation, right? Keep it rolling. Scoot it over a little bit. Keep those thumbs up. That way you're not gripping the wheel too hard. Keep it rolling. Make sure we're checking those mirrors so we stand in our lane. Right, check those outside mirrors. Straighten it up. We're gonna come out here and get you some experience. Up here we're gonna be making a right at that blinking yellow. So keep it rolling, put that right blinker on. We're not slowing it down yet, we're just focusing on staying in our lane. Remember, you have to check left before you turn right, okay? So keep it moving, start slowing it down as we check to that left. Slow it, we check it, nobody coming, we roll it. Stand to that right. Give it a little bit so we can straighten it up. There you go. There you go. Stay towards that right. Keep it going. How you feeling?
I'm still nervous.
But it's not that bad. We don't stop here. No stop signs.
Okay.
We just check, rock and roll. All right, keep it going. Jesus Christ. Not this street, but the next street. We're gonna make a left. So keep that in mind. Check as we come through these spaces. Look around. Now we putting that left blinker on and continuing it ahead. Continue it ahead. Stay on the right side. There you go. Keep it moving. And we're checking and rolling. Right? Keep it moving. Slow it. Check it. Roll it. Slow it. Check it. Check it. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Give me some gas and straighten her up. Straighten her up. There you go. Bam. Keep it rolling. Pressing down with that big toe. That's gonna be important. There you go. Ease it over the speed humps. Ease it means press down on brake.
Okay.
There you go. Ease over. Bam.
Okay.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Keep it rolling.